Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is all about this beautiful fresh makeup look for summer, which surely you can recreate. I have created this papy winged eyeliner look paired with nude lips, which you can definitely wear for any kind of outing or brunch date, and it will be looking really gorgeous on you. It's a very easy makeup look. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So before doing any kind of makeup, I always do prep my lips and my face. So for prepping my lips, I'm using this Nykaa's lip balm in the shade Cherry. It's quite hydrating. It has got a beautiful tint which you're gonna enjoy. Now this moisturizer is something that you should definitely check out, guys. This one is by Dot & Key. It is from her 72-hour hydrating gel range. It contains probiotics. It's a completely water-based gel moisturizer, so easy to work on your face, and it perfectly works well underneath your makeup, and it gives you beautiful hydration at the same time. Looks so gorgeous. Now SPF is a must, for which I'm using this Fay Beauty SPF juice. This is the amount of SPF that you need to apply on an everyday basis on your face as well as on your neck. Make sure that you apply your sunscreen religiously on your skin, because that's gonna keep your skin really well, and if you apply any kind of products underneath your sunscreen, that's gonna work for your skin if you just protect your skin from the harsh harmful rays of the sun. So this is how this sunscreen looks. It is having zero white cast. It looks super duper healthy, gorgeous, glowy on the skin. For the brows, I'm using my Staple Faces brow defining pencil in the shade number 01 Tan. So using the spoolie it comes with, I'm gonna just brush my eyebrows to know the natural eyebrow line. I'm gonna outline my eyebrow, as you can see. And this product is a perfect beginner friendly product, guys. It is just a pomade in the form of pencil. It is having beautiful pigmentation, as you can see. Using small strokes, I'm feeling in my eyebrows, and using the spoolie it comes with, I'm gonna distribute the product really well. It is very long wearing, perfect for summer. So if you're going out for a very long time, this product will be staying on your brows, guys. I have tested this out. It hardly smudges and it looks beautiful on the brows. It makes my brows look so fuller, and I absolutely love it. If you're searching for that perfect brow pencil, give this one a shot. You're gonna love it. So I have done the same thing on my left eyebrow, and you can see on its own it also looks so gorgeous, but I like to pair my eyebrow pencil with this brow setting gel from ELF. This is a game-changing product because it helps in making my brows look so bushy, at the same time so full, and it also makes everything smudge proof and waterproof. Huda Beauty's Daily Dewy Serum Foundation is something that has been working really well on my skin, especially during the summer months. It is having a lots of skincare ingredients. At the same time, it's a beautiful, like a medium coverage foundation, very lightweight. It doesn't make you feel like a heavy layer of product on the skin. So I'm gonna squeeze it out directly from the bottle on my face and gonna distribute it with the help of my fingertips. This serum foundation is perfect for using on an everyday basis because it blends effortlessly. At the same time, it doesn't provide you that heavy coverage. It doesn't feel heavy and look heavy on the skin. So if you are scared of using foundation, especially during the humid months, you can surely try out this one, guys. And you can see on my combination skin, this one blends beautifully, and I really like the shade. So it matches me perfectly. It is having a little strong yellow undertone, but once you blend this out, it looks really good. So my base is really lightweight, guys. I can feel that my face was looking really good, glowy, and I really like this beautiful dewy foundation. So Sugar has launched this new concealer, which I have tried out and I quite like this one. So this one is in the shade Chocosino, and I really like how it's actually worked on my skin. So I'm just using a little bit of concealer. If you are not comfortable using concealer on an everyday basis or any kind of special occasion, you can skip that as well, but I like to just make my under eyes look a little more brightened, so that's why I've applied this much, and I have blended that out using the same foundation blending brush. And you can see this is having like a beautiful medium coverage, looks very healthy and not at all heavy looking on the skin. This is my all-time favorite compact from Calabar. It is a 24-hour wetless powder foundation. I love the product, guys. This powder is so amazing. It's a finely milled, it blends beautifully on the skin, and it just set my makeup and make my makeup completely long lasting. For such a long time the product remain intact on my skin, guys. So this is something that you can definitely try out. So you can see I'm using this pizza puff from PAC, and using this puff I'm just blending this out and applying it underneath my eyes on the areas where I have applied the concealer, and it has automatically made my face look so beautiful. Love Earth Never Look Back shade from our multi-pot. It's something that I have recently purchased and I have tried out, and I love this shade. It's a perfect, like a mauvey toned everyday medium pink shade. It's not a complete pink color, it's not a nude shade, it's in between, and you're gonna love this range of multi-pots from Love Earth. I have already tried out her Got Your Back shade, and I really like it. So using a stippling brush, I'm gonna apply it on the apples of my face. Yes, I heavily do apply my blushes because I love this kind of very blushing look on my cheeks. So I'm using this cream blush because during the summertime you don't want to make your face look overly matte, so you can surely use your favorite cream blush. That's gonna add a beautiful glowy look to your face. At the same time is very long wearing. So this one is by Kiko Milano. It is her matte bronzer, and it is the super duper lightweight, at the same time very natural looking bronzer that I especially use during the summer months because it doesn't make my face look ashy, dull, and I really like it. Just naturally makes my face look structured, guys. Yes, it is having that kind of very light buildable pigmentation which looks so nice once you apply it underneath your cheekbones, on basically on the perimeter of your face. When you apply this, it's gonna make your face look completely structured, like that snatched look, without adding any extra layer of gray product underneath your cheekbones, guys. So I really like it. It looks beautiful, and I'm really loving how my base is looking now. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, for which I'm using this very basic super duper affordable palette from Nykaa. It is her Eyes on Me eyeshadow quad in the shade Night Out, which comes with 3 matte shades and 1 shimmer shade. So I'm just using a mixture of 2 brown shades, and with the help of a fluffy blending brush I'm gonna apply it just on all over my eyelid as well as on my crease. You can use any brown shade you have from your bronzer, from your eyeshadow, as a base on your eyes, just as a wash of color on your eyes. Now I'm using this Smashbox Kajal. This Kajal is very pigmented, guys, and it's very long wearing because it's completely smudge proof, waterproof. So using this Kajal, I'm gonna tightline my upper waterline. This gonna add beautiful volume and density to the lashes, so I really like to tightline my waterline. So this is the star of the show. This is the Plums I Swear By matte liquid liner in the shade Sky High, a beautiful sky blue color, guys. If you have tried out a bunch of blue shades, definitely give this one a shot. This unique blue eyeliner is so pretty, a perfect summer shade, and I love blue dresses and blue tops, and it goes so well with most of my outfits, and it's having beautiful pigmentation, guys. The only downside is that it comes with a brush tip applicator, but the product is of very good quality. It dries down to 100% budge proof, smudge proof, transfer proof matte finish, which is really long wearing. So you can see I am applying this liner on my left eye, and I really like how it's actually looking. Once it dries down, it's not gonna change its color, and it looks super duper peppy on the eyes. Lash of the Titans volumizing mascara from Sugar Cosmetics is something that I have recently tried out, guys, and this is literally one of the most volumizing mascaras that I have tried recently, guys. So as you can see, it is adding a lot of volume to my lashes, especially on the roots of my lashes, and I'm just building this up, and it is looking so beautiful. If you love mascaras and you want to just add loads of mascaras on your lashes on an everyday basis, this is something that you can definitely check out, and it's very long wearing, guys, but it's not at all stubborn, so you're not going to lose your lashes while removing. This is one of the best mascaras, and I really like how the eye makeup turned out. As you can see, it's super duper easy, just a wash of color on my eyes with that peppy winged eyeliner. Now it's time to move on to the lipstick, for which I'm using this Verified Lip Frosting liquid lip color in the shade Rose Roulade. I really love this pink color, guys. It's a very muted, like one of those earthy toned pink shade which has got that warm undertone, a pink that's gonna work on all Indian skin tones. It's gonna look like a dusty pink color on the deeper skin tones out there. This one is having warm undertone. The formulation is really good, highly pigmented product, doesn't dry out my lips, and it gives you 100% transfer proof matte finish, which I really love, guys. Now Faces Canada's Ultime Pro makeup setting spray is something that I'm trying out recently. The sprayer is not of that good quality, but it actually makes my makeup really long lasting and glowy. So for the perfume of the day, I'm using Zara's Elegantly Tokyo, a beautiful, super duper elegant white floral fragrance. It has got freesia, it has got white lily, and you're gonna love this look. So let me know in the comment section. So this is how I have created this gorgeous look for summer. You can use your own products to create this super easy makeup look, and I'm gonna put the links in the description box of all the products that I have used. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye guys.